Hot summer July plant tour. Here we have the mailbox. The number one thing I learned with the petunias, wait until they flower so you can know what color blooms they have, because as you see, I did not know the whites will be sectioned off on that side, and I will have this mix of colors. Here I have some sedums which was gifted to me, so I like to look at them every time I come to the mailbox. Mandevilles are growing up the top of this, but I will be replacing this within the week, so stay tuned for replacing a mailbox. Other end last time, so this time I'll start here. Blue star junipers in the ground, vincas, red bud, doing great. Colors. Red bud, hydrangea, ground colors. Hostas will be over there. Bucras, coral, azalea, crepe myrtles from the ground reseeded themselves, lower to pelums, baby Japanese maple, azaleas, my first ever planted peony. Hibiscus, my newly planted full sun container. Please watch the plant potting video. Sedums, it was a clearance plant boxwood, which is now reliefing out at the bottom because I did cut it back. Blooms getting ready to bloom out. Cut all the way to the ground rose bush. Hydrangea. I didn't know if I got the back of this container. Oh, isn't that so beautiful? I just had to get it up close. These are my favorite salvias. We have roses growing, blooming, getting ready to bud out. Oh, it's going to be beautiful. Look at that bug. clearance plant hydrangea. A new baby bloom is forming. All of these are clearance buys, you all. Everything you see, except the established shrubs, everything else is newly planted this spring season. Rose bushes. This is my second newly transplanted hydrangea. Please watch the video. Silverberry. These artemisians are beautiful. Okay, another hydrangea. Here we have the hostas. I transplanted this Japanese maple. Set it on top of a stepping stone. Yoshima weeping cherry here. Daphniums. This is a hydrangea, which will be repotted soon. Ooh, as you all see, Eugenia's. Boxwood. Georgia blue speedwells have bloomed already. This is an update of where I placed some of my lavenders, which I had some showing also a few minutes ago in a tour down on the other end. But that's the border. Coral bells. Still have not planted my honeysuckles. Foxtail, fern, coral bells, some sedums. I need to cut back now. Finally, my flowering hydrangea there. But I like looking at the blooms because I like the green in the blooms. Here we have this section. Herbs, some mint, pink and white garden. We'll see the blooms flush out of there really soon. Newly transplanted. If you all remember, this Nandina had barely any potting soil inside of it. Coral bells, newly transplanted, and which I am treating in case it had mites. Azalea, Japanese maple back there. These are my need to transplant plants. My can set up. Both of these are clearance plants. I still need to plant 2 more in the ground. Proven winners, of course, catnip, baby. But we did pot that piece of beauty up. And for anyone who didn't see the video, I still tried to leave some of Japanese maples, the names of these plants. These new verbenias I planted here haven't budded out yet, but those are the recent transplanted clearance plants. All of these clearance plants doing wonderful. For anyone who did not hear the name of it, these are my babies. These sunshine ligustrums are doing wonderful. They barely had any leaves on them when I planted them. Oh, my favorite corbel. If you all seen, I bought these 2 on clearance, and I love that combination. It's beautiful. Look at these clearance verbenias. Everyone knows I love verbenias. That hydrangea was a clearance plant which leafed out really well. I need to come and prune that. Let's see. Here you are. Newly transplanted there. I had to replace the Japanese maple that was there because it was actually getting too much sun. We have new roses about to bud out. David Austin roses, specifically Poet's Wife. Oh, you all, I have to turn around before I get poked. Another clearance plant, hydrangea, in which I'm noticing purple hearts. I have the purple hearts next to this purple hydrangea, which has acidic soil, which is why we're getting that color combination. These are my Japanese maples, so some things I've missed, which gets a lot of sun over here. Leaf scorch is going to happen on new growth. I can try to give it more water. You all, this area, I'll show it to you all, but just know I work on it consistently. And I'm going to actually find some pots for my gold tip cypress so I can bring them over to the beautiful portion of the yard. But I eventually, you all will know the concept, want these 2 to fill up before it's 1, 2, 3, 4 to fill up really tall. And this is my busy street that I stay on, which construction is going on, so it skews the noise. And I will, that's Dream. His name is really Dreamwick. For anyone who don't know, we purchased him from a young man, and he still checks on him, so this is his future. And now he can watch you, Dreamwick. We gave him a first name, but his name was Wick initially. Now he can watch him in all the YouTube videos. So you all, this is my July. Oh, I forgot my basket here. How? And it's my favorite. I just planted it. It's the electric lime. And I got this off of clearance also. I haven't even posted that clearance haul, but that already it has blooms. I just literally planted it. If there's anything that I missed, you all, my apologies. So I got that from that same plant haul. Mandavillas. That's my home. And that's my garden. Do anyone else see my vision? I did make this sidewalk, so feel free to watch the channel of how to do that with Lowe's plastic bags. All right, everyone. Here we have a rose bush that I cut all the way down that is leafing out, similar to that rose bush. It's cute. And here is my backyard. I have an akupa, some japonicas, I mean camellias, that's what it is. Here we go. I have Japanese maple. I ran out of mulch. We're still working on this area. I have some hostas, which already bloomed. Everything back here needs more water. Japanese maple that my godson cut the top graft off. Well, cut above the graft, so now it'll just be all green. And this is my mahonia here. But you all, we're out of mulch. I have plenty more weeds to get to. Those are my peach trees right there. All right. And plenty of nandinas and weeds. Ta-da! See you again soon. Subscribe.